Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car Systems Installation. Today we're going to be unboxing GNET latest dashcam, the G-ON. This is a dashcam from Korea, high quality, and we're going to show you what's included in the box. Follow on our next video to see how the system works, features on it, and we'll also show some videos with installation. So we're going to open the box. First, on the side of the box we have an indication what memory card is included in the box. If there's no indication, it will be the default 32 GB. If there is an indication 64, 128 or other marking, that is the memory card included with this camera. So let's open this and see what we have. So first thing we see is we have the front camera with a mounting base with a double-sided tape. Inside the camera we already have the memory card already included inside the camera. And we have on the top we have the USB dongle for the Wi-Fi. The USB dongle for the Wi-Fi is actually an advantage on this camera because it has a very long distance, and you can also connect the camera through hotspot to a cloud. Next thing we see is the rear camera, again with the mounting and the double-sided tape already on the rear camera. So you can see the rest. So we have our cable connection between the two cameras. The cable connection has an indication which part goes to the front camera, so that we know which one will go in your front camera, running the cable. Then we have the hardwire harness. This hardwire harness has an indication on the side, shows which wire goes where, battery, accessory and ground, and connect directly to the camera. It's protected by fuses. Basically with this hardwire harness you will be able to activate the advanced parking mode, and the system will also monitor the vehicle battery to prevent any drainage. Next thing we have is we have here, this is an Allen key with a small screw that will allow us to lock the memory card. If we don't want to have anybody tampering with the memory card, we can lock the memory card with that key. We have the GPS antenna. The GPS antenna, when we connect it, basically will allow us to have on the videos GPS location of where the video has been taken, and when we also connect to the cloud, you're going to be able to see videos directly from the camera and see the movement of the vehicle. And then we have two extra double-sided tape. Those ones, in case the first ones don't have any adhere anymore, or if they fell off, there's two more here. And the last piece we have will be our dashcam guide. So the G-ON dashcam from GNET is available at Car System Installation. Check our next videos to see how it functions on the GNET and see comparison to other brands, and we will show some videos of installation. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.